Guys, welcome to Benj, to my channel, and today we're going to unbox Pokemon cards. This arrived in the mail. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, and I've been waiting this for days. This is part 2 of opening Pokemon cards. Sorry. This is part 3 of opening Pokemon cards. Part 4 of opening Pokemon cards. Can you believe it? Part 5 of opening Pokemon cards. Oh my god, guys! I just opened this and look, there's a Pokemon card. Oh my god. This is like a weird feeling, guys. I'm sorry. I was so excited, you know? This is crazy. I thought I would be disappointed, but no, there's like actually a lot of rare. Ready? Oh my god, it's Mewtwo GX! Oh my god, I'm getting so lucky these days. Guys, look! I'm speechless. Look. Alolan Rattata. You know, I mean, I think Pokemon people, they don't know what Pokemon to make, so they make another region. I don't know why. And like so many types of Pokemon, they type of it. Like, it's like the same Pokemon but different color Pokemon. Like, they keep naming stuff that we don't even know, and they have a lot of adventures and we don't know what's even going on. So guys, you've been wondering why I took a huge break on my YouTube channel, because like, of course, I don't know what to tell and you know. But look, we still have that much. Got Tapu Fini. Like, guys, look, it's shiny. I asked for a shiny, and yes, after 2 Pokemon packages, it's there. Like Pikachu, if Pikachu was skinny? Like, I'm speechless. Another old school Pokemon card design. Yeah, it's old school. They used knitting, like they make it like into a soft toy and then they take a picture. That's really cool. Like I like that. Oh my god, that was a little bit hard to do. Comment down below what are you doing in quarantine, because I need some ideas. I'm going cuckoo. It's another. I haven't had this colorful one for ages, man. You guys are actually expecting me to be so like super happy, but I'm actually happy inside, because like I know I'm speechless because I got a lot of them, you know. Reading this policy, what does that mean? Like, is it gonna do something? It's hard to open this. Okay, can you see how much I have to open? Oh god, a lot more to go. See me for what? Another one of these. I don't like those. Okay, I like this, like this editing they did. It's very nice. I think I made a lot of mess. Sorry, Mom and Dad. I said for these to be gone. Why are they still here? I think I got all the Pokemon cards opened. Like, this is the first one. Like, this is the first object that's gold. Like, I'm looking for the gold ones, but I keep getting this type. But I think I got the first one that's like this. This is the first gold. I like it. I'm super happy. Like, I'm speechless. Like, these are the only 3 that are quite different than the others. Like, these 2 are gold, this one's a Pokemon trainer, and this one's are Pokemon balls. Okay, see you in the next one. Go subscribe. Okay, I think it's been a lot of minutes, but so subscribe and make sure you subscribe and like. Okay, I have to clean this after. Okay, subscribe and like. Bye.